AMCeram means Additive Manufacturing Center for Industrial Ceramics. So this facility is a DOST PCIEERD funded under the Institutional Development Program in partnership with Additive University. So AMCeram aims to develop new materials, new ceramic materials, and new composite materials for 3D printing using locally available materials. So this also aims to facilitate or provide the facility for students, researchers, and industry practitioners who wants to explore the additive manufacturing in terms of the ceramic materials. So aside from the 3D printers, you also have different softwares that the student can use in terms of the 3D modeling and the simulations. So they can actually use the simulations to optimize their design in such a way that it will fit into their model or into their application. Or they can also use 3D printing to fabricate those 3D models. So the AMCeram actually has two facilities. So we have the materials preparation laboratory and the 3D printing laboratory. So in the materials preparation laboratory, so that's the area where the students or the researchers can actually prepare the materials for the ceramics. So these ceramic materials will be put into a cartridge, and this cartridge will install into a 3D printer. Then, using the 3D printer that we have in the laboratory, it actually uses the extrusion-based type of 3D printer. So you can actually generate or create 3D models or 3D models using ceramic materials through these 3D printers available in the laboratory. So basically, AMCeram aims to provide a facility for students, researchers, and practitioners who wants to explore or develop new materials for ceramics.
I'm Engineer Lester Alfred M. Olasiman. I'm one of the project leader for the AMCeram research project. So regarding with my research, so this is about utilizing the ceramic 3D printing for the molds or different application for molds design, molds analysis, and different application with regards with casting or die. We can use in terms of die casting and investment casting.
Hi, I'm Engineer Dexter Lyndon Sabusap. I work in one of the projects of AMCeram. So in our study, we're trying to utilize 3D printed pottery. In addition to that, we're looking at infusing the ceramic with two additive materials. So we're going to conduct tests to determine its material properties, and we'll try to optimize its desirable qualities. So in essence, the study is an application of 3D printed technology and a development of new ceramic material.
The laboratory also aims to help and train researchers such as undergraduate and postgraduate students. Also, the laboratory aims to publish journals about the different industrial application of ceramic and composites. Trainings and mentorings about the additive manufacturing would also be available as one of the service of the AMCeram laboratory.